Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you today by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are back to normal, to say. Condado de Alhama has gone back from holidaymaker being packed to normal lifestyle, to say, here on Condado. So most of the families have left as school are starting now, and I'm just showing you today the garden of Naranjos 4, where we are actually showing a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, which has caused already quite some interest during our pre-marketing, and I wouldn't be surprised that this property is moving quicker than we think. Naranjos 4 is, again, together with Naranjos 5 and 6, maybe one of the most sought-after gardens here on Condado de Alhama Golf, being between the Alcazar Commercial Center, which is also the social hub for the resort, as well as the golf course, which is due to open sometimes in September, hopefully. It doesn't really look like at the moment that they will be able to open in September, but they are working hard on the golf course, and we hope that this will open soon. So I think, having said enough about this and giving you a little bit of a view here of the quiet, now again quiet Condado de Alhama, we are entering this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, which is N262 on Naranjos 4, here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. For those ones who maybe don't know where we are in the region of Murcia, the so-called Costa Cálida, the warm coast. We are about 25 minutes from the closest beach in Bolnuevo. We are about 35 minutes to the airport of Corvera, and about an hour, 5 minutes to the international airport in Alicante. And we are today in Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and I'm showing you a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment in our virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. And we are already in the middle of the apartment, more or less to say. I'm just showing you the living room area. The apartment is sold as seen, and I will point out several interesting and important assets of this property during my virtual open house. And first of all, let me start with the kitchen, which is fully fitted and kitted and installed with a big fridge freezer, a washing machine, obviously all other necessary mod cons for a kitchen, like oven, like extractor fan, microwave, dishwasher. As you can see, again, in this property, we are missing something important, which is again the water filter. This week we had already the first half a dozen of water filters installed. As you maybe don't know, all properties purchased through Quality Homes Costa Calida are getting a drinking water filter installed to make sure that you always have drinking water at home without the necessity to go to the supermarket and buy useless plastic bottles, which then we have to dispose of again. So this week we installed already nearly half a dozen, and it goes on in about 10 days' time, depending on availability from the provider at the moment, because I think we have bought all they have available. So soon there will be a new box with water filters and also the corresponding tools. So looking forward to get more installed. Well, and I'm just standing here and showing you the dining area of this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. Asking price is only $69,900. Obviously open to offers, but as I said already, we had quite some interest already in the pre-marketing of this property and of our open house today. So I wouldn't be surprised that there might be something going on even during our viewing today. Following now, we are going into the master bedroom. All what we see again today is what we get. The property is fully fitted, furnished with air conditioning in all rooms. Just let me point out here the air conditioning to you, which is installed in both bedrooms and the living room. Both bedrooms obviously have fitted wardrobes, as we can see here, and are fully furnished. In this case, the master bedroom has a double bed, and we are now following into the second bedroom, where we do have 2 single beds as well fitted. And as well as we can see here, the fitted wardrobes, we just opened one to show you the inside. There's a chest of drawers, rail and air storage area above, Again, also this room is fully air conditioned, which is quite an asset in summer and in winter. We just went through quite a warm August, so I think many people on site have been very happy that the air conditioning has been installed. Following here with the bathroom, as well with bathtub, with a glass shower screen here, and obviously all what's necessary, including Rupert the agent, or in this case the broker better said, of qualityhomescostacalida.com, your estate agent here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Our offices are based on the Alcazar Commercial Center, which I said before is also the social hub. You find as well in the Alcazar Spar supermarket, you find several shops like Paco Molina's furniture shop. There is a bakery in the morning, El Rincon, there are several restaurants and bars, hairdresser, and as I said, even an estate agent called qualityhomescostacalida.com. Soon we will see a new office going up on Alcazar, which is the new insurance office. For those ones who know the resort or maybe owners, there is a change in the insurance company. So far we have been with Caser, and this has been changed now, lucky us, to Allianz, which is, in my opinion, a very good insurance company. And they will open their office soon in the Alcazar, just beside the office of Quality Homes Costa Calida. And they will provide all services for insurance, cars, house, life, health, you name it, we have it. And I think we will get soon a decent insurance broker service as well here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. I think it's a good way forward that we get now a decent company in who are also providing services all day long, as they will have an office on site, as it was initially as well with AXA in the good old days. Okay, having seen that, just giving you as well a glance on the outside here on the community gardens. The community fee for this property is approximately 100 euros per year. The council tax is about 145 euros per year. You will say, what are the community fees? Well, all what we see here, the pools, the gardens, are maintained and kept as it is by the community of owners, by a subcontractor called STV. The community is providing security services, cleaning services, pool, gardening, as well as internet and television to each property, and all this is summed up in the so-called community fees, which for this property is 100 euros per month, including a 100 megabit up and download line for the internet, as well as over 250 international TV channels free to use. So the 100 euros, breaking it down to all the services we get, I still think it's a bargain, to say the least. We are back in the apartment, which we said is a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. You find this and more properties on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. My name is Rupert, I'm the broker of the company, and I have the pleasure to show you every week a different property, being here on Condado or in other interesting areas. So there we go. And here we go with our listing agent, which is Anna. No, I have not been upstairs yet. I was just on my way to go upstairs. So I'm missing now. Haha.
The listing agent wants you to see upstairs.
There you go. So as always, they send me up and down, left and right, left, right, and center. They say, no? Okay, here we go. Yes, this is the roof terrace, and this really looks great. I have to say. I mean, this is just a lounge area here. It's a little bit windy today, but we can have a sit here. There we go. That's pretty pleasant here. No, it's a little bit windy, but we still have 27 degrees outside, so I think we are really happy that it's not wind still, because this could be an issue. No?
It's quite to be honest, the last weeks have been quite.
But we have to do a little bit of a show here, yeah. So I just can't sit down here. Yes, so yeah. Let me show you the views from this upstairs terrace, which are again breathtaking, overlooking the community pool and the community gardens. As we see here, looks great, I would say. And as I said, it's such a difference from last week, where this was still packed with holidaymakers, and just a week later, they're nearly all gone. Lucky us, we're still allowed to stay here for another year, hopefully, or even more. So on the other side, I will show you now as well the other side. That's where the sun goes down, more or less. This is the parking area. So we do have quite sufficient parking there are about 20% more car parks than dwellings itself, so there is always space. And even this summer, which was pretty busy, we didn't have any issue with car parks, so that's all fine. Up here you find as well the air conditioned units installed. So there are 3 of them, as we have 1 in the living room and 1 in each bedroom, so it's 3 of them. And well, this is the private terrace. Size-wise, we are talking the same size as the apartment. So it's about 58 square meters of terrace, and it's about 58 square meters of dwelling. So I think that's space enough to swing the elephant or the tiger or whatever we want to swing today. And just let me walk down again to the main floor, which is actually obviously the first floor, because below us there is another 3-bedroom apartment. And well, what else can we say, Anna? I mean, it's a beautiful place, I have to say.
Absolute peace and quiet. This is Condado the way we love it.
What's the reference of this apartment?
3552.
3552. So you see,
Price 69,900.
asking price 69,900. But as I said before, it's the first time that we really, well, the quantity of inquiries already before we went live today was pretty okay to say. So I'm looking forward to whatever happens today. Good. So the community pool now, there's somebody in the pool. That's good. So you see a little bit of life. I mean, we are not empty, but I would say we are down to maybe 40% occupancy at the moment. So, which is pretty good to say. And well, it's just a pleasant day. As I said, 27 degrees at the moment. It's not that humid. We had some rain this morning, but it has now cleared out. And as you can see, blue skies all over. They didn't even announce the rain we had last night and this morning, so it was, I think, a surprise even for the weather people. So quite an interesting situation today. Okay, just another glance inside in this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on reference 3552 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price 69,900 and comes as seen. So all white goods, all furnishing, all decoration comes within the asking price. I think it's a good solution to get a good start for Condado de Alhama. The apartment is fully fitted, smells nice. Yeah, even me. Yeah, I can smell it today. It's really nice. So, yeah.
This apartment also rents out really
Hi-ho.
well. It was rented out all summer.
Okay, sorry, phone. Yeah, there we go. So, sorry. Well, guys, I mean, what else can I show you? I have shown you the kitchen. I told you that there is no water filter, but we will put the water filter in. We have a microwave, we have cooker oven extractor fan, we have a dishwasher, we have a washing machine, we have a fridge freezer, television, 3 air conditioning, and all this for only 69,900. The property is definitely worth the money, no doubt about. We are on Naranjos 4 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And well, what can I...
Yeah, thank you very much. Well done.
Okay, so
See you later. Bye bye.
there we go. So Anna, this was nearly the show for today. What has happened?
The other half of the dream team just called.
Yes.
As you know, we split the listing and the selling side. In
Yes,
our
exactly.
company. So Marcello has had quite a few inquiries this morning.
I know, that's what I already heard this morning.
We have just had an offer accepted on this apartment. Speaking of the devil.
Okay, speaking of the devil, I knew it.
Sorry, guys.
Today I knew it.
This happens about once a year, and now it's happened again.
Okay,
So
I
this
knew it
apartment
today.
is now sold.
Sold.
Thank you for watching.
Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Enjoy the views here from this apartment. I will not show you the inside anymore because this place has now an offer accepted and goes off the market. So thank you very much for your attention. It was reference 3552, but I can promise we have similar apartments on our books. So just have a stroll through our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. I can't repeat it often enough. And have a look. In case you like our shows, please tell your friends, like them, share them, because that's what it's all about. We are not here to sell properties. I'm just here to show you what's going on, to show you Condado de Alhama, to show you what we have. You make up your mind, and we take it from there. I thank you very much for your attention today, and congratulations to my team. As always, I wouldn't know what I would do without you guys. Happy days, well done. So, see you next week. Cheers, bye.